we'll guide you through how to get Printful support. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printful website. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage where you'll find the Help Center link. Click on it to access a variety of support options. In the Help Center, you'll see a search bar where you can type in your specific question or issue to find articles and guides that may provide immediate assistance. If you need more personalized help, look for the Contact Us option, typically located in the navigation menu or at the bottom of the Help Center page. Clicking on Contact Us will give you several ways to reach Printful support, such as email, live chat, or a support ticket system, depending on your preference. For live chat, simply click the chat icon, usually found in the bottom right corner, and a representative will assist you in real time. If you prefer email, you can fill out the contact form with your details and a description of your issue, and someone from the support team will get back to you. Remember to provide as much detail as possible, including order numbers if applicable, to ensure a swift response. For urgent matters, using the live chat is recommended as it typically offers the quickest resolution. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.